So, in our previous video, we're talking about a potential 2x long on Bitcoin and what that might make you from current price. That was yesterday when the price was somewhere around $59,000. From the CMP right here, it would be somewhere around 114% raw gain. And really, you can't get such gains anywhere else. Talk less of what a 2 to 3x long would make you. Now, what we were wondering in that video is how long would you have to wait? Now, before we continue, it's very important to note that we cannot actually know when. We can have an idea as to where price might go, but as to when it will go there is a completely different story. All we can do is look at what happened in the past, when it happened, and use that to suggest when something might happen in the future. Even with that, Bitcoin is a very young asset. We're talking about 18 years here. It's not as old as things like gold or the stock market. So we don't have much data, but well, that's all we have. So according to that data, here are some things that we need to know. We have already shown when it usually bottoms, and according to that data, well, it should be bottoming somewhere around October this year. So we're talking October or September this year, the bottom should be in. One thing to note here is that we're not saying that the bottom will be in October. It might as well be. In fact, according to the data, it should be around that time. However, it might as well have happened before that time. But anywhere around October, we should know that the bottom should be in. This is to say that the bottom might as well be here, and then we continue to linger around these zones right here, and sometime around October, we just start to go to the upside. However, if we're following price history one-to-one, then we will most likely see something that looks like this, and then in October, we just suddenly plummet for no reason. So it's important to have that in mind. Even if we do have a rally now, we should be careful because this thing might as well still plummet. With that out of the way, let's look at when we might be going to the upside. Now, our whole thesis to the upside here is that, well, after each time BTC plummets like this in the bear markets, it always goes back to its all-time high. In all cases, it has gone above its all-time high. So what can we make off of this data? Well, it means that as BTC is here right now, let's quickly showcase that. So from current price, which is 61.2, this means that BTC will most likely go up by about 105%. This would be basically the most guaranteed 2x in crypto because this has always happened, literally in all of its history. So we can, of course, profit from this move. For now, we don't know how high it will go after this all-time high, but this is near guaranteed to happen. So it's a certain 2x.